Thank you for the West Chicago Parks Foundation for supporting lessons with the West Chicago Park District. My name is Brielle, and I am the swim lesson coordinator. Fantastic swim lesson season this year. We were able to actually, I believe it was like double our lessons from the year before. And so every time that we do lessons with any child, all the way from infant all the way up, it's one of the leading causes of death in children, and it's important. It's very, very important for children to learn to swim, to be able to save themselves, to be able to float. And not only are we supporting the children and the parks, we're supporting families. And it means a great deal to me to be able to do that.
My favorite thing about swim lessons is arm circles. I learned how to be safe in the water. I learned how to go to backstroke. Swim lessons helped me get my deep water pass. I learned how to put my head on the line.
My favorite thing is relaxing and having fun with other people that I like.
Looking at lessons of blowing bubbles.
Once again, I just really want to thank the West Chicago Parks Foundation for all the help and support that they're giving us, and being able to support the children, the families, and the park district, and just the community, and giving lessons. It's such a big deal, and it's just important. It's very important. I want to thank you so much.
Thank you, West Chicago.